Here we have the example 4 from physical world units and dimensions, and this is slide number 20. They have asked us to calculate the volume. They have given us length, breadth, and height, and we need to express it according to the correct significant figures. So first of all, I would write down the formula. Volume is equals to length into breadth into height. So here length is 2.17 centimeter and breadth is 2.15 centimeter and height is 2.21 centimeter. Now if you multiply all these things, the value is found to be 10.31075, and you have centimeter, 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 so this would give you centimeter cube. That is the value that you would be getting. Now when we need to express this into a correct significant figures, you need to look for the least significant figures in the readings given. Now you can see that each quantity that they have given, L, length or breadth or height, everything has three significant figures. So your answer should also have three significant figures only. If you check for the least significant figure here, everything is 333. So your answer should also have three significant figures. Here I would write the answer. This answer I need to round off only for 3. When you are doing this, you need to take care of the digit which was next to that. Here I have 1. So suppose imagine this was greater than 5, I should have added it. But this 1 is less than 5, so I need not worry. The final answer will be 10.3 centimeter cube.